A land where the waters of the Arabian Sea meet miles and miles of sandy beaches, deltas, and mangroves. Deserts ending in fertile plains. Green valleys leading to the biggest concentration of high mountains anywhere to be found on the planet. This little-known part of the world is also home to some amazing wildlife. Including the elusive snow leopard, ancient civilizations that span centuries, and ruins that give us a glimpse into a glorious past. We are a warm and hospitable people with rich traditions and colorful lives. This is our home. This is Pakistan. Pakistan's geographical location makes it an ideal gateway for regional and international trade opportunities. As it embarks upon a new era of progress, the old Silk Route is transforming into the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC, as it gears up to positively change the fate of the region. Today, it is a country where our culture influences global fashion. Our music transcends borders and languages. Our food amplifies our passion for expression. And sport brings us all together, passionately. Pakistan, where the mighty Karakorums, the Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush come together in the north, where 5 of the world's 11 8,000-meter peaks rest, amongst the biggest concentration of high mountains and the largest mountain glaciers on the planet. Heli-ski is a sport where skiers are taken to mountain slopes that are only accessible by helicopters. And the Pakistan Army has the best and only combination of men and machines to support and make such a sport possible.
The world has to see Pakistan now from a different lens. The lens of economy and from the lens of peace.
This adventure has brought our guests to the town of Skardu in Gilgit-Baltistan. The guests arrive and are amazed by what they see.
Best place in the world. Come on!
The international guests are in place. The mountains have received the heaviest snowfall in over 20 years. The stage is set.
Amazing. This is absolutely amazing. We're on top of the world.
This is unbelievable. Makes the Rockies look like a little hill.
As the helicopters start to take the skiers to slopes over 4,500 meters high, they know they are in for an experience of a lifetime. The pilots and their machines are now in their element as their blades cut through the thin mountain air, transporting groups of skiers to unbelievable locations.
So this is Pakistan at its finest. How many people have had the opportunity to see this? The unspoilt beauty of this gorgeous country.
The people of Pakistan are great. The scenery is fantastic. I don't think I've been anywhere else like this in the world. Thanks, Pakistan.
This is one of the best places in the world to make air skiing. Pakistan!
Now, if you're thinking about this is not a safe place, this is as safe as currently capital in Germany.
Got to come, they've got to explore it. They've got to see Pakistan for what it is. It's a country that is at the forefront of transformation, and from a business perspective, it's on the up and up.
It was so cool getting in an army plane. Really cool. I can't wait to do it again.
Pakistani pilots were absolutely amazing. They were so friendly and so professional.
It's such a perfect place. Just the culture is rich. The mountains are amazing. The scenery. Just being made to feel extremely welcome.
Just come here, have a look, enjoy the nature, get to know the people.
The potential is big, it's huge, and there will be a terrain for everyone.
So I'd highly advise anyone who's looking to go for a different sort of trip somewhere, Pakistan is the place to come to.
The idea is to make them ambassadors for us. You know, if we give them a sense for who we truly are and what this place is really about, they'll go tell the story to their friends, and their friends will tell the story to their friends, and before you know it, the true message of the country will come out.
The excitement, the adventure, the memories. As the skiers depart, they know they have had a taste of something quite rare and very special.
Pakistan!
The north of Pakistan is the undiscovered arena of winter sport and adventure. An endless wonderland that is waiting to be explored.